Morning. Hello, hi guys. Again and again, this is me, the Queen Motivator, who is doing different things to this channel. So today, I decided to create another video. Njengoba ngizama ukuthi channel yami ikhule, ngenza ama-exercises okujima, ngiphinde ngenze i-vlog nyana lapho. Kuningi nje ngisazokwenza kule channel, ningamindi as long ni-like, ni-subscribe, niletha i-positive comment. Abantwana basesikoleni-ke ithi ngiqale-ke ngiyiklinele, usalikhumbula le salt leli i-Himalayan salt. Ngakho ungakhohlwa uku-check the link in my description if you want to help people, noma unenkinga yomuntu addicted ekhaya, noma unesikhumba esiphinki lesi esibizwa nge-vitiligo, khuleka sizolapheka. In my description there's a link for the channel for any product that you need. It's either you want a cleaning product or the healing product, it's up to you, or the skin products. Come on board, don't hesitate. You'll check the link and click the link and come to me because you'll find my phone number there. So guys, nibe nosuku oluhle, ngicela nibe nami njengalokhu ngiziklinela nje in my one room, ukuthi ngiqhube isikhathi nanokuthi ngizame ukuthi i-channel yami ikhule ukuze nami ngelinye ilanga ngikwazi ukuthi ngenze imali kule channel. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kwababukayo, uNkulunkulu anandisele. Ngikupa li-subscribe, lisikalale balo subscribe please bana besu, kuyalikupa kakupo hlethu. Ayaba guys, ngiqedile-ke manje ukushanela, ngithi nje ake ngithathe uchwepheshe healing spray sami esingisiza ngendlela eyisimanga. Nawe uma usifuna, check the link in my description. Njengoba ubona nje ngiyazithela, then ngenza i-air freshener ngaso ukuthi lo moya lo womkhuhlane noma lo moya ongenayo ungakwazi ukungithola, uthi uyangena nje uthole uchwepheshe healing spray. Come on board, be my customer today or a distributor. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? Ya, sekicedile ohlatsa dijana nazo lezi jajambe ziningi koda-ke akunankinga. Umzimba wami iwona ongekho right ngoba ngine-flu, u-weak nje so bese ngizizwa ngikhathele ukuwasha lezi jana amabhodo. But-ke guys, to do the best thing for me, please subscribe to this channel and share the positive comment into my comment section. Please check the link to my description. Don't mind me, I don't know English. English knows me. Have a nice, wonderful day, guys. Bye. Or please don't judge if you get bored, just pass through because, yes, everyone starts somewhere. This is my thing. Let's hope you'll do the best thing for me by subscribing. Uzobenza ubuntu ngokuthi ubambisane nami kule channel. Please, lisikala libala. Kuyagubha bana besu.